European stocks subdued with focus on earnings, U.S. inflation. European stocks edged lower on Wednesday as investors digested another slew of corporate earnings while awaiting key U.S. inflation data. Among individual stocks, Vestas Wind Systems AS rose as it showed a surprise profit for the first quarter, an indication of a turnaround for the wind turbine maker after a few tough years. Barclays plc strategists also said they now see little fundamental upside in stocks following the rally that was led by defensive sectors. According to Fabiana Fedeli, Chief Investment Officer for Equities, Multi-Asset and Sustainability at M&G plc, markets are pricing in a mild recession, but the truth is it's very difficult to understand what kind of recession we're going to have and what the timing is going to be. U.S. stock futures unchanged, Twilio, Airbnb, Vroom fall. Click here for a curated first word channel of actionable news from Bloomberg and select sources.